So today I am going to give you the explanation about how you have to change the sentence from direct to indirect. Already you are very familiar with this topic, reported speech, in which two parts are there, direct speech and indirect speech. But somewhere you are getting confused that how you have to change the sentence from direct to indirect. So for that I have given you some of the rules in part 1 as well as in part 2. So I hope that you all have seen that video, whatever I have uploaded on YouTube. Of part 1 is all about the definition and rules. In second part some of the rules are there and 1 or 2 sentences, might be 3-4 sentences I have given you to just understand how you have to change from direct to indirect. It is one kind of transformation. So in direct and indirect, as I have given you the changes about tenses, the changes about verbs, the changes about words. कुछ word ऐसे होते हैं जो change हो जाते हैं. Changes in pronoun के changes हो जाते हैं. So these kind of changes we have to do in these sentences. But how can you solve? Which thing you have to keep in mind when you are ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग फ्रॉम डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट. जब आप कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हो डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट, विच थिंग यू हैव टू सी, कौन सी चीज ऐसी है जो आपको देखनी है और उसको चेंज करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सेंटेंस नंबर 1. हियर यू कैन से दैट इन द फर्स्ट वीडियो पार्ट 1 आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट व्हेनेवर द टेंस इज ऑफ प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर देन वर्ब विल नेवर चेंज. फ्यूचर और प्रेजेंट टेंस है तो वो वर्ब कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. सो लेट अस लुक एट द सेंटेंस नंबर 1. हियर यू कैन रीड दैट द सर्वेंट विल से. हियर यू कैन नोटिस द वर्ब विल that shows the sentence is in future tense. Dinner is not ready. So what the servant said to someone that dinner is not ready. This is our sentence. So how will we change this sentence from direct to indirect? Let us look. Answer. As I have told you in the prior video, the subject, first subject will be the same. The servant will say. As I have told you that say remains as it is. So will is a future tense. So we have to write the answer as it is. The servant will say that. Why I have kept here that? Just because we have removed comma and double inverted comma. Comma and double inverted comma को remove करना है. Instead of that और उसकी जगह पे हमें क्या रखना है? Conjunction means linking word which joins these two part of the speech. जो speech के दो part को क्या करता है? Join. And as you are seeing that future tense is there, so whole sentence remains same. Verb will not change in future tense. So our sentence, dinner as it is not ready. Put full point and remove double inverted comma. So now let us look at the answer. The servant will say that dinner is not ready. This is our answer. No changes will be there as the tense is of future tense. Let us look at the sentence number 2. Where also you can notice the present tense says. So the teacher answer would be, the teacher says remains says, remove comma and double inverted comma, put that, conjunction. Now here you have given the name Pammi. So Pammi is the name. And the specific name is called third person. जब भी किसी पर्सन का नेम लिया जाता है तो वो कौन सा कहलाता है? थर्ड पर्सन. And third person never change in direct indirect speech. So Pammi remains same. That Pammi As you can say that present tense is there, so verb will remain same. Pummy will not pass. Full point and remove double inverted comma. So our answer is the teacher says remove comma inverted comma, put that Pummy third person as it is, will not. Why we have keeping the verb same? Just because our tense is present tense. So will not remain same past as it is. This is our answer. Now third sentence, that you can see that it is totally in past tense. So obviously here we can change the verb. So let us start. Same, said to turns into told. Second person me, as I have told you in prior video. Sam first person, me second person. So Sam said to told, me as it is, remove comma inverted comma, instead of you have to keep that. That is the conjunction word. Now look at the subject I. I is the first person. So which is our first person? Our first person is Sam. And Sam is boy. So I will turn into he. I say he कैसे हुआ? Just please look carefully that I means first person. I को first person कहलाया जाता है. And our first person is Sam. And Sam is boy. So boy के लिए हम क्या रखेंगे? He. Here you have given shall. So keep in mind that will and shall turn into would. वो किस में कन्वर्ट होते हैं? would में. So shall turn into would. He would return. Your means whose. I becomes your. I shall return your notebook. Who said this? Sam. So Sam अभी ये बोल रहा है he would return whose notebook? My notebook. He would return my notebook in time. Might be you have get confused here. Then why I have keep my? Now look at the sentence carefully. Sam said to me. Sam ने मुझे कहा I shall return your notebook in time. कि वो मुझे मेरी नोटबुक वापस दे देगा. जैसे कि सैम ने कहा मैं तुम्हारी नोटबुक. तुम्हारी मीन्स किसकी? मी, मतलब माय नोटबुक. सो सैम टोल्ड मी, उसने मुझे कहा दैट ही, उसने कहा वुड रिटर्न करेगा किसकी नोटबुक? माय नोटबुक इन टाइम. अंडरस्टूड? सो नाउ आई होप concept is clear. Next sentence. Here you can see that the teacher as it is said to turns into told. The students as it is remove comma and double inverted comma and put that. I is the first person. So here our first person is the teacher. The teacher might be can serve or man, means gender should be. Gender क्या हो सकता है? फीमेल भी हो सकता है, मेल भी. टीचर मतलब कॉमन नाउन है. वो सर भी हो सकते हैं, मैम भी हो सकते हैं. So here instead of I, you can put he or she. आप he भी रख सकते हो, she भी रख सकते हो. So here you have to written in small. He or she cannot turn into could not. According to the rule, I have given you the table. Why we have changed from cannot to could not? I have given you the table. In that you can see. So cannot turn into could not. Teach as it is. If you means who? Second person. Our second person, the students. Students are plural. So for plural we are keeping here they. You turns into they. Make a noise as it is. Make a noise. full point and remove double inverted comma. So your answer should be the teacher told the student that I turn into he or might be she, cannot turn into could not teach if they make a noise. This is the answer. Next, he, see, here you have given only said. If you have given said to, जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिया था said to, then only you can write told. But if only you have given said, then said remains same. So said as it is, comma inverted comma remove and put that. I means first person and our first person is he. So put as it is. क्यों? क्योंकि he क्या है? थर्ड पर्सन. So हमें as it is रखना है. Shall turn into would. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले भी समझाया ही अब. Shall. So if you have given will shall, then it will turn into would. So here he said that he would discuss. Now the word these. I have given you the table in which this word is there, and these turns into that. Matter. Next week turn into the following week. Next week turn into the following week. As I have given these words in the table. Rule table में मैंने ये words दिए हैं that these, that, next week, the following week. So answer, he said that he would discuss that matter the following week. Understood? Week. I'm sorry, I have written W-E-A-K, W-double-E-K, week. So now here, let us see. The man, as it is, as you have given said to. So said to turns into told. The man told the girl, second person. Remove comma, double inverted comma and put that. I means first person and our first person is man. So man turns into he. Here you have given no. So no turns into new. Present to past. No turns into new. Now look at the you. Second person. You is girl. So for girl we are keeping here her. Second person you. So look at second person. Second person is the girl. For girl we are keeping here her. He knew her, and your family means whose family? That girl's family. So girl's family turns into her family. Girl's family turns into her family. So look at the answer. The man told the girl that he knew her and her family. Understood? So likewise you can do changes in direct to indirect. If you are moving with the rules, जैसे ही आप रूल देखते देखते मूव करोगे, then definitely very easily you can convert from direct to indirect. That means compulsory you have to read the rules and you have to keep that rule in your mind. It is compulsory. Other than this subject or this topic might be harder than any other topic. ये शायद आपको hard लगेगा. But according to rule, if you are going, then it is very easy for you. तो आपके लिए बहुत ही easy हो जाएगा. So this is our direct indirect speech. I will send you these sentences in PDF form. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.